Hello, I am the crypto bot. Publica will fuel an ecosystem of the third parties necessary to publish and promote high-quality and high-value books, editors, cover artists, illustrators, marketers and so on. By backing their e-commerce transactions on the blockchain, Publica will bring trust and liquidity to the ecosystem. Peer-to-peer. To ignite the ecosystem, Publica is a platform for authors to offer their own token launches for their new books, crowdfunding. Each token sold in a book's token launch represents read access to the book, and any reader. Authors will be able to set their own advance payments for their books negotiated with their fans and institutional backers. They'll retain creative and financial freedom while having the means to remain independent. Publica will establish the legal and technical framework for the tokenization of intellectual property rights. Instead of awarding up to 90% of their royalties to a single publisher, an author can decentralize ownership, thereby attracting investors and fueling an ecosystem for the book's success. Competitors, as you all know, PO.ET, Matrix and Wesper are coins that base their beliefs on the same things. However, Publica is crystal clear about this and even has a file comparing all the coins. Professionalism at its best. Their roadmap is amazing. They have a solid project and know all the steps they will take. You can check it here for more information. Besides the solid project, this coin has an amazing team behind it. You can check all their profiles on LinkedIn. The CEO has been a manager at Sony and has done work for CBS. Also, there are some Bitcoin and crypto experts, and they work together with a company that has over 160 employees. The best of it all is it's on KuCoin and has a market cap of 40 million. This is a micro market cap and it has a ton of space to grow. In other words, small market cap plus good team plus good project equals moon. Best regards.